I'm pregnant.
This isn't funny.
I'm serious.
You're serious? I can't do this.
Do what?
This life, I'm not ready.
It's not just your life.
I didn't sign up for this.
Most AI video tools right now, they all work the same way. You type a prompt, you get a clip. But then what happens is this, you sit there waiting for the video to be generated. And when it finally finishes, it's really 50-50. Either it came out the way you imagined or you are starting over again. But what if you didn't have to wait for the video to be generated at all? What if from the very moment you type your idea, you can already see everything, the characters, the environment, the camera angles, how the whole scene plays out before anything is even generated. This is exactly what I want to show you, how to turn a simple idea into a fully planned cinematic scene using Smartshot, where you can see everything clearly before generating a single frame, so there is no more hopping. You already know what you are getting. Now, you can only access the Smartshot feature inside OpenAI. I will leave a link in the video description below so that you can easily have access and follow along. Once you are inside OpenAI, you don't need to overthink it. Just scroll down a little bit and right here you will see the Smartshot. Just select it. Once you click in, it will open to this new interface. This is where all the magic begins. Here you'll find the prompt box where you insert the idea of a video you want to generate. No complicated prompts, just type your idea. And you will see the add reference. And right below, you've got a few options you can work with. You can add your characters, set your environment, and even adjust things like the output and the quality depending on what you are trying to create. If you would love to learn more on how to create characters, check out this tutorial that walks you through step by step. Stay with me to the end of this tutorial because you do not want to skip any of the most important details to get the best out of this feature. To get started, type in or paste in any video idea that you want to create. For this tutorial, I have this simple video idea or story that I wanted to generate using this feature. A young couple in a living room at noon is having an emotional confrontation. The woman reveals she's pregnant, the man becomes overwhelmed and distant. Tension builds as their relationship begins to break apart. From here, we need to select the characters or the objects we need for this story. Though it is optional, but I highly recommend you choose the specific characters. We select it and come over to characters and select the specific characters for your story. Once you're done, close this tab. We can also add the specific environments where we would love our scene to take place in, whether it's the living room, the bedroom, or the schoolyard, or the sport field, anywhere we would love our scene to take place in. I'll just leave it blank for this tutorial, but if you have a specific background or environment, you can simply upload it here. From there, I'll select the sheet quality to high, and on the output, I'll ensure that 16:9 is selected and the highest resolution is selected. Once that is done, do not click on create video yet. We want to see how the entire scene will play out. So what we want to do is click on preview sheet, and Smartshot will generate this sheet for us. Up here, you've got your character reference, how your characters look from every angle, their expressions, their style, even their personality. Then right here, you've got your environment, the full scene, the layout, even a top-down view showing where everything is placed. And this part, this is your storyboard. Every single shot already planned, what happens, how it looks, and how each scene connects to the next. And it doesn't stop here. It even plans your camera rig, the angles, the movement, how the camera flows through the scene. And then you've got the lighting and mood, the color palette, the tone, and the overall cinematic feel. This is not just a preview image. This is a full creative direction document. The same kind a planning director, a concept artist, and a cinematographer would put together before shooting a scene. And all of this come together from just one sentence. Now, on our right, there are a couple of settings that we can play with. You can check the IP safety to scan the image for intellectual property matches. You can also recreate. That's if you do not like how everything turned out to be. Not only that, you can upscale, you can turn it into a video by making it as a start frame by simply describing how you want the whole video to play out, which can be very handy to maintain that high level of consistency for your scene and the entire story that you are creating. You can also set it as a reference. You can create variations, and you can also change the camera angle. That's if you want to. You can also edit a specific part of the video using the edit feature by simply describing exactly what you want to edit or edit a specific area. Now, you can also edit this video prompt. That's if you would love to. Now, before we generate the video, let's try this again. I am going to go back to Smartshot, paste in the idea for the story, hit generate, and see how this version turns out. And this is how the second generation will look like. We'll have all the details just like before. I think I'm really happy with how this one looks. I just close it. I hit generate video to generate my video clip.
I'm pregnant.
That was just so perfect. We can recreate the video, we can upscale it, we can also grab a frame or modify the video. Now that we've generated our first scene, here is exactly how we can turn this into a full story. All we have to do is come to frame to video and select a mode you're going to continue generating your videos in, and select text with reference, drag the reference sheet in the description, drag the video that you've just generated, hit confirm, download some frames in that video, and upload them in the prompt box. From there, all I do is paste in a prompt that describes what unfolds next in my story. And at the bottom here, I always ensure that I tell the AI to maintain the voices in the referred video, which is this video that we generated. From there, I ensure that the audio is turned on and the mode is set to normal. And on the output, the aspect ratio is set to 16:9 and the resolution is set to 1080p and the duration is set to 15 seconds. And hit generate.
This isn't funny.
I'm serious.
You're serious? I can't do this.
Do what?
This life, I'm not ready.
It's not just your life?
I didn't sign up for this.
If you would like me to dive deeper into how to create a 1 hour long 3D AI animated story video, let me know in the comments section below. Now, this feature is not limited to 3D animated videos. You can create commercial ads, you can create brand designs, you can create action series. The list is endless. And this is exactly what you get. Now, if you want to try out a Smartshot, I will leave a link in the description below so that you can easily have access to it. Thank you OpenArt for sponsoring this video. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because more value awaits you. From here, God bless you.